you are looking for a Father's Day recipe, this video is for you. Today I am going to show you how to make a classic burger for the awesome dads in our life. Last year I created an amazing chocolate cake, and if you want to end up this recipe with something sweet, please check my other video with the chocolate cake recipe. Please stay to the end of this video because I will share with you a spicy drink idea for your dad that probably he will tell you that he has never had this type of drink and he will love it. Okay, so let's get started and let me show you what we need for the burger recipe. We need a keto bun. I will post the link to the keto rolls recipe below the video, but you can also use your favorite keto friendly recipe. If you have some idea for keto bread or rolls, please post the link below the video so all of us can make it as well. If your dad is trying to lose weight, maybe we can skip the bun and just serve the burger on the lettuce. And there is also another recipe, awesome recipe that I want to share with you. Maria Emmerich created the protein sparing Wonder Bread, which will be perfect for the recipe as well, and it is very low in calories. Alright, next what we need is ground beef. I am using organic beef. Try to use 80% lean and 20% fat ratio because this is a secret for the juicy burger. Next, what we need is topping. So you can use any topping your dad likes. I am going to use lettuce, pickles, tomato, onion, organic American cheese, and we need some sauce. We are going to use Mayo. Here is the keto-friendly product that I love. And just a little bit of red sauce, sriracha. This one doesn't have any sugar. And for the burger, we just need 2 spices. Fresh grounded pepper, black pepper, and salt. I love to use Celtic salt. Today I am going to use cast iron pan because cast iron provides excellent heat and cooks burgers evenly with great crust. It's good to prepare all the toppings before you start cooking your burger patties. So I have all my toppings ready, and now I just want to make the bun ready. So I just cutting in half and butter. So then we can toast on the pan. Now I am going to make burger patties. I am going to form equal size patties, about 4 ounces each. To cook the patties, our pan needs to be hot. We need to preheat it for about 1 to 2 minutes. If you don't want your patties to bulge up while cooking, it's good to make a dimple in the center of each patty. And trust me, this works. Pan is ready, so let me just spray it with a little bit of avocado oil. Don't flip the burger. Wait till the crust is formed. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to season each patty. Okay, the crust is already formed, so let me flip the patties over and cook for about another 4 more minutes until desired doneness. At this point, I'm going to place our cheese on the top of the patty. And cover until the cheese is melted. Okay, our burgers are ready. I'm going to toast them. Okay, we have all our ingredients, so now we can assemble our burger. I am going to finish up the sauce, adding a little bit of sriracha. This is classic recipe. It's very simple. It's nothing complicated, but still the simplest things are the best. So let me put a little bit of the sauce on the top of the pan. Now I am going to put some pickles, lettuce, like I said, we can skip the bun and just put all the toppings and burger on the lettuce. Now I'm going to put a tomato, slice of onion, and our juicy burger. Our burger is ready, so look at this yumminess. I promise you this patty is very tasty and very juicy. Remember, I asked you to stay with me to the end of this video, and now I wanted to show you that promised drink. Ta-da! I don't want this video to be too long, so the recipe will be posted below this video so you can make it. So this combo, spicy drink and juicy burger, I think your dad is going to love. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please put thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I am going to post more recipes, more keto content, so stay tuned for another video. Thank you so much. Bye.